Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the game activity like this of Blender in Discord. How to enable this? So let's get straight into it. So we're gonna go Blender RPC, just type it in. Let's go to first link, Protein on Blender RPC. So here's some instructions. You don't need these or anything, you just need to follow the how to install this one. So we'll download, we'll go to releases and just click on here, Blender RPC underscore 1.001.zip. So I've already downloaded it, I don't need it, I already downloaded it, so just crossing it. After downloading a selected folder like this, go to your downloads, compressed, and here you can see Blender RPC1 underscore 0 underscore 0, and this is the latest version. You're just gonna open Blender. I've already have it open, and go to edit preferences, go to add-ons. You'll not get this, but first just go to add-ons and install, and go to downloads. No, you'll go to the folder where it's downloaded, the zip. So mine was compressed, downloads compressed, and Blender RPC install add-on. Then it'll install the necessary add-ons. So see, at first there is no Blender, so then after 1 minute you're gonna close all the tabs and restart Blender. General, go to edit preferences again and go to Blender. So here you're gonna see system Blender rich presence in bottom. Just gonna check this box. See, the rich presence didn't still appear when you enable this add-on. Just a minute, sometimes hang up, and there you go. Sorry, there you go. 10 seconds lapsed, and that's it. So hope you guys like my video. If you liked it, like the video and subscribe my channel if you want to get updates on my future videos. So see you next time, guys.